Welcome to our channel. Netgear EX5000 Wi-Fi extender setup AC1200. Plug it in, find an outlet halfway between your router and the dead zone. Don't put it in the dead zone itself. If it can't grab signal from the router, it's useless. Wait for the lights, give it a minute. Power LED should turn green. If it's amber or red, unplug and replug. Yeah, it's dumb, but sometimes that fixes it. Connect to its Wi-Fi on your phone or laptop. Look for something like Netgear_EXT. That's the extender's temporary network. Connect to that. No password by default. Open a browser. Go to www.mywifixt.net or 192.168.1.250. If one doesn't work, try the other. If neither works, restart the extender and try again. Log in, it'll ask for a username and password. Default is usually admin and password. Change it later, but for now, just log in. Pick your Wi-Fi. The extender will scan for available networks. Select your home Wi-Fi, the one from your router. Enter your Wi-Fi password when it asks. Set the extended network name. It usually adds _EXT to your Wi-Fi name by default. Example, if your Wi-Fi is home Wi-Fi, the extender will create home Wi-Fi _EXT. You can change it if you want, but I left mine as is. Reconnect your devices. Your phone/laptop won't automatically switch over. You have to manually connect to the new extended network the first time. After that, it's automatic. Check the signal, walk into the dead zone and connect. If it's still weak, move the extender closer to the router and try again. It's all about placement. Lock it down. Once it's working, log back into the extender settings and set an admin password that isn't just password. Seriously, do this. Thank you for watching.